In the quiet breath of creation, life unveils its hidden beauty, where the waters mirror the heavens and the earth whispers the mysteries of its ancient beginnings. But there are seasons when beauty withdraws and the soul stands uncovered, like a tree without its crown, left to face the silence of its own desolation. Storms come, winds howl, and what once stood unshaken may crack and fall. For the human journey is marked by the sacred breaking, moments that reveal what our strength alone could never show. In the heat of trial, where branches once full now burn beneath the weight of life, the soul learns that loss is not the end, but the holy beginning of reconstruction. For even when the crown is stripped and the leaves are gone, if the root remains, hope is never lost. Hidden beneath the surface, the eternal seed still pulses with divine remembrance. And from the unseen places, life rises again, because within every soul is a sacred inscription, etched by the Creator before time began. The unquenchable desire to live, to rise, to become. Live aligned, live awake, live now. The RAL movement is a calling, a return to your origin, a reawakening of the divine echo within, a journey back to the sacred root from which all true life springs. Step into remembrance, walk into alignment, reclaim your spiritual inheritance.